So, what are some of the reasons that homeowners tell us that solar doesn't work for them? Well, one of the most popular ones is I'm moving or this isn't my forever home, so it doesn't make sense. Well, it does make sense, and here's why. First, you pay less for energy immediately, like right out of the gate. It might not be hundreds of dollars, but you're going to pay probably 40, 50, $60 less than you are now. It'll cost you exactly $0 to get started. Nothing. It's a misunderstanding in solar that there's this big upfront expense. There's not. You don't have a payment due until 60 days after it's installed. Putting solar on your house increases the value of it by 4 to 5%. It's the only time you can do that, and it doesn't cost you any money. There's no project you can do in your house that raises equity without spending a dollar. Solar does that. Another thing that it does is, excuse me, uh, houses with solar statistically sell faster than houses without solar. It's a no-brainer. Uh, this is the thing that really holds people up, and it's so easy. The loan transfers to the new homeowner, and the new homeowner is super happy because they're paying way less for energy than they would for a house without solar. So it's not a hurdle at all. It just transfers over. New homeowner is happy. Depending how your deal is structured, you might decide to keep the tax credit. So you could actually keep up to $10,000, $15,000, depending how big the system is. So the benefits of solar are crazy. Another interesting thing about the tax credit is it sticks to the house, not to the homeowner. So you put solar on your roof, you get all these benefits, then you move to another house and you do it all over again, and you keep getting the same benefits every house that you own. I mean, it is truly a no-brainer. Craig, can you think of anything that might have missed or?
Yeah, I'd say this. Look, the if you're gonna move, let's say you might move in the short term. There's no harm, no foul by going solar. But if you do stay in your home longer than you think, then you're missing out on tons of savings. So there's really no downside to going solar. But let's say you end up staying in your home for 5 years when you thought you were going to move in a year. Look, things happen in life. We may think we're moving, but you might not. Going solar just locks you in, protects you, and insures you against certain energy rate increases. You cannot lose by going solar, even if it's only for 6 months.
It's that simple, guys. Moving is not a barrier to solar. It's actually a good play. Thanks, guys. Take care.